Okay, folks, UPS and I were finally able to show up at the same address at the same time, and I finally received my iPhone 17. So let's go check it out.
Let's do this!
So let's get it out of the box. And as it told us on the box, it contains an iPhone 17 and a USB-C charging cable. That's it. There's that beautiful Sage phone. Never had this color before. At least I was smart enough this time to get a clear case. Now I want to show you size-wise how it compares to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, the Pro Max is quite a bit bigger. Alright, so let's make sure we have some power and we can boot up. Now, while it's getting its update, we'll take a quick look around. With our 18 megapixel center stage camera. On the right, our power button and our camera control button. Up top, a mic. On the left, our action button and our volume up and down buttons. And on the bottom, our speakers, a microphone, and USB Type-C power in connection. On the back are two 48 megapixel cameras, wide and ultra wide. And everything's installed successfully, and it's much faster than it used to be, and faster than the Pixel setup also. Before I end this, let's take a couple of pictures for the first time. First thing I've got handy is the Z Flip 7 FE, so let's a couple of pictures here. And we'll flip it around. It's that front center stage camera, that square sensor, and I'm going to take it portrait and look how good that came out. So there's my quick unboxing of the iPhone 17. I think tomorrow I'm going to do a quick camera comparison with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Of course, there'll be much more. I'm anxious to see a camera shootout between this and the Pixel 10, probably next week. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
Yeah.